It's 6:52 on our disembarkation day, and we've just got a bit of time available to do a quick room tour. So this is room 6138 on the Disney Magic. I believe it's the same layout for the Disney Wonder. Let's step inside and take a look at the room. Now bear in mind this is at the end of the cruise, so things aren't as presented by Disney. First thing we come to on the left hand side is the lavatory. In this cabin we have a separate toilet and shower room, so there's facilities there. And if we move to the next room, see we have another sink, a compact tub with a shower on a hose, which I like to see. Now also, if you're going swimming, you can dry your clothing using this little extendable line that hangs out over the tub. So that's the facilities dealt with. If we step back, it's rather a narrow entrance corridor, only suitable for one person at a time. We have the wardrobes. Now this does contain some of our bags, so there is plenty of space here, and absolutely masses of hangers. That's one half, and if we open the other half, more hanging space, plenty of hangers again. We have laundry bags should you need to send that away, although there are self-service laundries available. And we have a safe, which is very good because it has a drawer, so you can reach to the back quite easily. Make sure you've got everything. Excellent. Now with most cruise ships there seems to be lots and lots of storage. There is here, I think, is that a double drawer? Yeah, the top one is a double drawer. But again, plenty of storage. We'll come to some more in the sort of lounge area in a moment. Glasses. And we take a look at the bed. Now remember, this is not as presented by Disney, this is presented by us on the last morning of our cruise. So, good bed. So we're waiting to go to breakfast, so we're going to make this quick. But we do have a socket under there, and also 2 USB points on the alarm clock. Always handy. Moving around the room, yet more storage, some lovely deep drawers, double cupboard. On this side of the bed we have the telephone, and there is just in there, if you can see, another socket. No USBs on this side. There we go. So that is the sort of bathroom and bedroom area complete. We do have a TV. Of course, you can get a limited number of TV channels. There are also Disney films on demand. You can check your account. There is a bow cam, so you can look out the front of the ship at any point. Again, masses of storage. Under here, not a cupboard, but a little mini fridge. Oh, must dispose of that water. More cupboards again. In this top drawer we do have a good hair dryer, so no need to bring your own. There was also a built-in hairdryer in the first part of the bathroom, but that's probably the best one. And some more sockets. A couple of USBs at the top there. So there should be plenty to charge your devices. And a nice little dressing table area with a stool to sit on. Small coffee table. And a sofa, which I think may actually turn into a bed. Now this is a room with a veranda. It's not just any veranda though, so let's pop out and take a look. So pull back the curtains, lock is all undone, let's pop out. Now this room is a deluxe ocean view stateroom with Navigator's Verandah. That means you get this large porthole effect opening rather than just a glass screen. At the moment we have lovely views across the Thames to Gravesend. So the veranda consists of this fitted seat which you can just about sort of lay down, sit up, treat as a bit of a chaise longue. Not very useful chart of the waters off of Florida. Some meteorological instruments which I don't think actually work. We have a compass, and that does work. A light, and on the other side of the screen some signal flags, surprisingly spelling out DCL for Disney Cruise Line. And on this side you have a movable chair, and again another little movable table. So I think that's just about it. I think we've covered the room. Let's just leave with a view of the Thames on a fairly dull at the moment Monday morning, and wrap up then. So that's the view of the deluxe ocean view stateroom with Navigator's Verandah. It's room 6138, I believe. It will look the same if you're on the Disney Magic or on the Disney Wonder. That's just about it for now then. So I'd like to say thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you all again very soon here on Not Just Disney. Bye for now.